Hey everybody, it's Amy Shaver. I just wanted to walk you through a real quick run of how to log into Pixton with your kiddos. All right, so if you come to What is Cartoon Day and you want to click on the link that says Join Pixton, it's going to say Join Pixton and you're going to click on it, and hopefully you already have a Gmail account. So you're just going to click with Sign in with Google. I believe my kiddos are already in here, so what you would do normally, like on the first run, is you would click on the email account, of your kiddos, and then it'll bring you to another page. I'm going to get there through a back door, so hang on. After you log in, this is what it's going to look like. All right, here's the back door that I'm using. You can go through sign up, but it's going to ask you if you want to be a teacher or if you're a student. That's why it's so much easier to just click on the link that I gave you, because it'll bring you right to my room. Once you're in there, you're going to want to just log in into Pixton, and you can sign in with Google. This is where it's going to offer you which of your many accounts, Amy, do you want to sign in? Talia is under her school one on this class. So then Talia also has two different ones. You're going to have one that is called Summer Camp. So you're going to go into that class, and you can see that she has a heap of comics already made. So if we go up to, so this is my avatar. You can see that this is my class that I started, the summer camp. And then over on the right side, you'll see Talia's name and Talia's avatar. So when you're going to start, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to click on the wagon wheel over to the side, and it says edit my avatar, okay? And it's going to give you everything. So I'm going to start from the beginning, from body type, okay? And you can see like I'm starting right from the get-go. So you and your student are going to go through here, and you're just going to pick like which one of these looks closer to your body type, select it, and then go on to the next. You pick your skin tone, you pick your hair color, and you're going to go all the way through to the end. It's not going to make me. So, ooh, it's got a little glitch in the system. All right, so once you run through all of them using the arrow button, or if you want to go back and fix anything, you can always click on the drop-down menu and fix any of these. The very last one you're going to get to is your pose. So once you select whichever pose you would like, and you select your clothes and all of the details, you're going to click on the last arrow, and it just says, "This is me." If you would like to keep this, you can always click on to download the full body or to download the headshot, but I can show you some other things too. And you're going to click done, and you'll notice that the picture then will change up in the top corner. If you ever want to change your clothes, your hairstyle, or your hair color, again, you go up to the wagon wheel and click on my avatar, okay? From here, when you go back into your class, so you're back into summer camp, you have a few things that you can do. There's going to be either your class photo, which is, that's me, this is Avery, and this is Talia, and so we're waiting for you to join our class photo. As soon as you make your avatar, you're in. And then you can also click on My Comics on the left side, and you can start a new one. So if you wanted to start a new comic, we're just going to explore and say like, first comic, and continue. And there's so many different things that you can do. So you're going to see the panels come up on the left side. You are going to explore the backgrounds at first. If they have stars, that just means it's your favorite. If you keep scrolling and they have the padlocks, it just means that we would have to pay for these, and so they're not open yet. So anything that has a star, not a padlock, you can use. So if I wanted to start off with, ooh, an evening tree, okay? And I can add characters, and you can add characters from our class, or you can build your own characters. And I have all of these costumes that I've purchased over the years that you can add them into. So I'm going to collect her, and I can change their hairstyle. I can change the direction that they're in, and I can also change who's in my class. So once you select someone, then you're just going to kind of arrow back, and you can add another character, and it could be somebody from your class. So you're either going to be adding Avery, Talia, or me. Once you're done with all of this, you kind of have to like check off yes, we're done, select, and then go on to the next. And I'm just going to continue down the rainbow up the top. The focus just means whether you're going to zoom in or zoom out. The words, they come up as bubbles over somebody's head. So you're just saying, hello, is anyone there? She is speaking into the dark. Now I could do a drop down and it becomes a thought bubble, which has the dots around it. It could be a shout, which is the zigzags around it, or a whisper, which I believe is also a softer color. Okay, so a speech bubble, let's just do regular. I like to explore everything first. Let's see, a thought. Oh yeah, the dots. The shout is angry, and the whisper, it's kind of see-through. All right, okay, so I'll let her whisper this. And when I'm done, just go back up to the back arrow, and it could add a caption like at the bottom, top, or middle of what's happening, like Ariel, I'm going to call her Ariel, enters the dark forest alone. It's thinking. And then when you are finished, you just set, oh, you can decide as this one's going to be at the top. I'm going to put this one at the bottom since I have a thought bubble. Ariel enters the dark forest alone, and arrow back. Okay, so from here then I can keep going onto, I can change their faces, where they're looking, if they're scared. She looks very upset about being alone in the forest, and arrow back. I can change her actions. And again, if I have multiple characters, I could just change one at a time. Hello, is anyone there? And arrow back. Okay, so I hope that you are enjoying this. That's just my first panel. If I wanted to go on to another panel, I would start this and then start from the beginning all over again, like start with a background and carry on. When you are done, just say click done, and that is your new comic. Remember, I named this one first comic. Thank you, Talia. You can always go back in and edit to add more panels or to delete anything or add more characters. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or post a comment in the classroom. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.